What's up, blogging heroes? It's great to see you here for another wonderful blogging video today. So today's video is all about popcorn and why you should stop wasting time with all the other themes out there and just get your lifetime deal right now. The reason for that is popcorn is changing to a subscription service. This means that to get a lifetime deal in the future, it's going to cost a lot more than it does right now. So getting your lifetime deal for popcorn is going to save you a lot of wonga in the long term if you're planning to change at a later point. Popcorn's changing to the subscription service, so new users will pay a subscription in order to use popcorn. However, there still might be a lifetime deal afterwards, but if they're going to a subscription service, I would bet a bottom dollar that lifetime deal in the future is going to cost a lot more. Now, here's some information that you might be wondering. If you buy the lifetime version right now, will you need to pay for a subscription later down the line? The answer to that question, my friends, is no. If you buy the lifetime version right now, you will have popcorn lifetime forever across all of your sites. However, if you buy it in the future, you might only get the one site version. You might get the subscription version. You might have to pay loads for the lifetime version. Do not waste any time, my friends, because if you're a blogger and you want to be blogging for long term with a good theme that's going to have your back when you're struggling with something, when you've got an error or something like that, and get the popcorn theme today, because you really will kick yourself if you don't. Here's a little story about me. Koala is an AI writer, and I have the opportunity to buy Koala lifetime, and I just talked myself out of it. Because of how Jasper AI used to work, it used to be like the best. And then I spent a lot of money on getting Jasper AI, and then it kind of fell off and became a bit terrible, in my opinion, in comparison to all the competition out there. So I felt like I wasted a lot of money, and I was worried that Koala was going to do the exact same thing. However, it actually turned out that Koala has done a fantastic job of creating content, especially AI content. However, I talked myself out of getting the lifetime deal, and then when they changed it so you couldn't buy a lifetime deal, I was absolutely gutted because I was left with a subscription that I would have to pay forevermore if I wanted to continue to use Koala. I was a bit gutted. So don't let yourselves feel like me with popcorn. Get yourself the lifetime version of popcorn right now. Use code TheoPop. That's just one word, TheoPop, to get yourself a big old discount on popcorn. It will be worth your time. Trust me on that. I'm not doing this just to get money myself. Obviously, I'm going to benefit by you guys using my code. I appreciate that. But really, guys, it's more of, if you are a blogger, if you've got a passing interest, if you're thinking one day you're going to start blogging, get the popcorn theme now. You are going to massively regret it if you wait until that bad boy goes up and they change to a subscription model. Why are they changing to a subscription model? I'm not actually a part of the Popcorn Inner Circle team, but I absolutely love popcorn. I'm very close with the developers and the owners, and I speak to them all the time, and it seems pretty obvious that they were just underselling themselves. This product is absolutely incredible. It has such huge support, and clearly with the amount of users already using popcorn, they priced it way too low. And so for them to take this to the next stage of business and to get as many people using popcorn as possible, it just made sense for them to go to a subscription model. Now, I'm not talking on behalf of any of the users or the creators of popcorn. I'm just talking from my own opinion. It makes sense that they go to a subscription model. In fact, I was dead confused when I started using popcorn that they weren't already on a subscription model. I think it's absolutely key that the popcorn team continues to keep a lifetime deal in there. I just think that's a really good idea in general, that just giving people the option to buy popcorn long term and keep it forever is good, even if it becomes way more expensive in the future. That makes sense to me. I did see WP Eagle's tweet and saw that he said that the deadline is fast approaching. This means you guys need to shake your tail. You need to get moving, dude. Use code TheoPop to secure yourself a big deal. Appreciate all you guys watching, and I hope this video helped you get closer to your goals of being a full-time blogger. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what is popcorn and is it worth it? Well, let me show you. Popcorn is a theme on WordPress that you can use. Go to popcorntheme.com to find out more information. You can buy the Popcorn theme and then load it in on your website super quick and super easily. This is Popcorn. I can see that straight away, and it's all about snacks. And they have actually used the wonderful Popcorn theme to get this set up. It looks fantastic. It looks very simple, but that's what you need for blogging. You don't need something that has all the bells and whistles. You need something that gets you straight to blogging. This is definitely worth your time, guys. Here is another website, which is actually one of my websites, which I've set up Popcorn with. As you can see, it's got an awesome navigation menu. It's got all the details and everything like that. This is a gaming site. If I want my members to sign up for the gaming site, they can actually sign up here. And as you can see, this is pretty epic, right? That you can do all of this wonderful stuff with Popcorn. That's absolutely incredible. Look at this. Fantastic. Let's show you another site which I have set up with Popcorn, penbeast.com. Penbeast.com is all about pens. Very simple, and it's set up with Popcorn as well. Here is a fighting site that was set up with Popcorn, and as you can see, it gets straight through to what it's all about. Here's another gaming site that's set up with Popcorn. This one's got a sidebar and everything, just so it can be optimized with adverts. As you can see, it's popping off. In fact, this site gets over 1,000 views a day. Popcorn is massively worth your time and effort. Stop wasting your time on Elementor and other difficult themes to use. Just use the one that's simple and easy to use. When you get Popcorn installed on your website, you literally just select the styles and then it automatically puts all the styles in for you as auto templates. Then you go through the templates and you adjust it to how you want it to look for your website. It is so easy. I was not a web developer before I became a blogging YouTuber. I've learned all these tricks just by using Popcorn. And not only that, whenever I've had a problem, I've reached out to Phil from Spiderweb, who is the developer of Popcorn, and he's helped me like that. No messing about, straight to the point. This is what you need to do to fix it, or he'll even help me actually fix it himself, which is just above and beyond in terms of support. I appreciate what he's done. In terms of pricing, let's have a little quick look at the pricing of Popcorn theme. So let's get Popcorn. Popcorn is $99. But here is the stickler. This is where it gets interesting. Have a coupon? Yeah, of course you do. You have code Theo Pop. Boom. Now, my friends, that has taken $15 off your order, and you now have a banging $100 for your Popcorn theme. Guys, use my coupon code TheoPop to get yourself a banging deal. Thanks for watching. I really hope this video helped you get closer to your goals of being a full-time blogger. I'll see you next video. Remember to subscribe for awesome Popcorn and blogging content coming in the future.